This is a Raspberry Pi Pico starter kit that goes for about $16 on Amazon. It has everything you need to get started with the Raspberry Pi. You get the Raspberry Pi Pico, you get an LCD, a solderless breadboard, you get a servo motor. It comes with an obstacle avoidance module. Here's a multi-conductor cable. Here's a motion sensor. The USB cable for powering it and transferring data to it. There is an RGB 8 LED light strip and a bunch of cables. There's a lot of smaller components, LEDs, button switches. I think there's a buzzer or some buzzers. Yes, there is a buzzer, a variable resistor, and also a photoresistor and a thermistor and a tilt switch. So there's a good amount of different types of sensors to measure data from the outside world, and there's also output devices like this LCD or the buzzer or the servo motor. I will be getting started on this tonight, and I might post the first project after I complete that. I'll probably do it in MicroPython, but I'm of the impression that MicroPython, C, and the drag and drop or a visual programming language called PiperMake can all be used to do the exercises. If you'd like to see the tutorials that are followed for this set, you can go to this web address and click tutorials to download one of the tutorials. Thanks for watching.